Hey YouTube, so in today's episode we are making knife sheath out of PVC tubes. These tubes right here are made for carrying water in your yard. So basically we're going to make this type of knife sheath. You can see. And it's pretty sturdy. The knife won't fall out. And it's all how you make them. So this is how I do it. Basically, what I'm going to do is I'm going to make a belt clip like this. And so what I have to do here is I'm going to have to draw a line like that. And on the opposite end here, I'm going to have to draw a line like this. So, and this is where I'm going to cut. Basically, when I warm this thing up, this thing is going to be folded out this way, sort of like this. And you see there? Then I'm going to measure the knife from this part right here to this part right here, to the tip. So I like to use, so this is the tip right here. So for Pete's sake, it's not for safety's sake, but for Pete's sake, I'm going to cut like this much off. And there'll be a space between here and here. Okay, this is the tip of the knife, and we'll leave about that much space. Okay. Heat it up. I'm going to squish it in here. Put some clamping powder in here. Okay. What we're going to do is we are going to apply some heat here so that it'll be pliable and we can insert the knife. Okay, so the knife is in. Again, I'm inserting this. Should be long enough. There. Goes in nicely. Like this. Okay. So you can see, it becomes almost like a solid piece. There. Let me clean this off with some alcohol. There you go. There. And it's done. Compare this with the Hmong knife, with the Hmong sheath. Show you. This is the Hmong sheath. See this? Falls straight down. And there's a weakness to this design. The reason is because this is bananaed on, and it's held by these little wrappings right here. And once this thing grows old and dries and crack, this little straps here moves around, and the blade protrudes right out through the banana zip like that. But here, it doesn't come off. See? So that's it, guys. Let me know what your thoughts are. PVC tubes. This is 3/4 inch round.